So recently on my YouTube channel, I made a poll asking what videos you guys want to see next, and you guys really wanted to see the 400 calorie meal idea video that's for weight loss and feeling full. So in this video, we're going to do just that. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day and staying safe. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 400 calorie meal ideas. This is absolutely delicious, fulfilling, great for weight loss, and it's even good for building muscle. Protein is very high in this meal, so you already know. You can even use these 4 meals in a 1600 calorie meal plan. It actually covers it perfectly. So if you guys need to be eating 1600 calories a day, staying full, losing weight, and building muscle, well, this meal plan, these 4 meals are perfect for that. And if you guys want a custom calorie meal plan specialized to your needs, I do provide that now on my Fiverr page. There's links over here. You guys can go there, DM me, and we can get something started. All right, enough chit-chatting. Let's get down to the video. All I ask in return is a like and subscribe. Guys, the last meal is my favorite meal. I mean, I have this, I'm hooked on it, man. I have this literally every single day now. It's so delicious. So, I mean, I'm leaving the best for last, all right? But let's start off with the first meal, and it's gonna be a egg omelet, cheese, tomato omelet. Bruh. Wait, what? That didn't make any sense. Let's just call this a tomato cheese omelet. All right, that's just easy. Tomato cheese omelet. And this is how you make it. Extremely fulfilling and delicious and easy to make. Check it out. We're first gonna get a pan and put 2 teaspoons of olive oil in there. It's packed with healthy essential fatty acids. It's about 9 grams and a total calories of 81. After that, we're gonna crack not 1, not 2, but 3 whole eggs in there. And this is about 220 calories with 18 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbs, and 15 grams of healthy fats. Eggs, these fats are essential and very, very good for you. I know in the video, guys, you see like 2 egg yolks per egg. I mean, that's the only egg that my supermarket had. So just use normal eggs, man. Don't use these massive eggs because it'll double the calories here. So just use normal 3 eggs and you're fine. But before we go ahead and mix it up and stir it, we're gonna season it, obviously. We're gonna put 1 tablespoon of tomato paste in there, and this is about 16 calories with 1 gram of protein, 3 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fiber. We're just gonna go ahead and mix it until it's mixed and nice, and it kind of looks like a tomato soup. So continue until that happens. Sprinkle 30 grams of mozzarella cheese on there, and this is about 81 calories with 9 grams of protein and 5 grams of fats. After that, don't mix it, don't do anything, just put a lid on it, let the cheese melt nicely, let the egg cook nicely, and once it's nice and cooked, it should just like slide off the pan just like that. And just look how good that looks, man. It's just so delicious and it's really cheesy. The total calories of this meal is 397, with the total macros being 28 grams of protein, 6 grams of carbs, which is just absolutely crazy, barely any carbs, 29 grams of majority of it being healthy fat, and 1 gram of fiber. Now, you may be saying that, oh my god, 29 grams of fat, that's insane. It's actually not. You see, guys, in order to lose weight and to feel full, you guys need to be eating foods high in fiber, high in protein, and high in healthy fatty acids. Now in this meal, we don't have that much high in fiber, but that's okay because we have high fatty acid food and slow digestive foods. Not only will this keep you full for an extremely long time, but it's really healthy for you because you're getting olive oil, you're getting healthy fats from the eggs, and overall a lot of health benefits. It's not like you're getting these fats from like a McDonald's burger or from a Burger King or from pizza or whatever, you know? You're getting it from whole foods and good quality protein and fats, obviously. So all this, you should be full for at least 3 hours, man. This thing is so filling. It's absolutely crazy how filling this is. I have a fast metabolism. When I had this, I was full for a solid 2 hours, 2.5 hours. If you don't have a fast metabolism, you should be full for at least 3 hours, maybe even up to 4 hours. Like you're full for an extremely long time. Now moving on to the second meal, is gonna be a very easy protein shake, and it's delicious, and this is how you make it. We're gonna get a blender and put 250 milliliters of 2% whole milk, and this has about 125 calories with 8 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, and 5 grams of fats. After that, we're gonna put half a banana in there, and this is about 52 calories with 1 gram of protein, 12 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fats. We're gonna go ahead and put 1.5 scoop of chocolate whey protein. Now you guys can put any flavor, it doesn't have to be chocolate. I love chocolate. You can put any flavor you guys want. And this has about 182 calories with 36 grams of protein, 5 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fats. And lastly, we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of peanut butter in there. And this has 1 gram of protein, 1 gram of carb, 3 grams of healthy fats, and 35 calories. We're gonna go ahead and blend it up. Once it's nice and blended, we're gonna pour it. Note that this is gonna be 1.5 servings, so 1.5 glass, but either way, you can finish it all in one go or one as you make it. Wait about 30 minutes to 40 minutes later, have the other rest later. That's actually the best if you want to keep full. That's just a hack. But the total calories you consumed here is about 394, with the total macros being 46 grams of protein, 30 grams of carbs, 10 grams of fat, and 2 grams of fiber. And man, you should be full for like, if you guys take this like all in one go, I think you should be full for no longer than an hour and a half. But if you guys take one glass now and then wait like half an hour or 40 minutes later, you should be full for about 2 to even sometimes 3 hours. So that's a hack, by the way. You know, if you take protein shakes like that, you're full for a lot longer. So do as you please with this advice, but this protein shake is absolutely delicious and it's fulfilling. Now moving on to the third meal, and this meal is one of my favorites: brown rice stir fried chicken. Absolutely delicious and easy to make. This is how you make it. First, we're gonna get a pan and put 1 tablespoon of olive oil in there, about 13.5 grams of healthy fats, and a total calories of 120. We're gonna get 80 grams of bell peppers, which has 24 calories, 1 gram of protein, 5 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fiber, and just put it into the pan alongside with 40 grams of onions, which has 16 calories, 4 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fiber. We're gonna leave them there until they're a little bit cooked, a little bit grizzled, and once they're nice and grizzled, we're gonna go ahead and put 100 grams of chicken breasts in there. Make sure they're diced up so they can cook faster. And this is about 160 calories with 31 grams of protein and 4 grams of fats. We're gonna go ahead, let them cook, let the flavors mix together. Don't forget to season and let the chicken cook. You gotta make sure the chicken is fully cooked because it's dangerous if you eat raw chicken. It's pretty dangerous. So make sure the chicken is cooked. Once you know it's made sure, get 80 grams of cooked brown rice and add that on top. And this is about 89 calories with 2 grams of protein, 18 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fat, and 2 grams of fiber. Mix it up, make sure everything gets nicely mixed and everything, and then plate just like this, and it's absolutely delicious, really fulfilling. If you guys really want, you guys could even add some hot sauce on there, whatever sauce you guys want. But man, this is so flavorful, so filling and delicious. It's making me hungry just talking about it. The total calories of this meal is 410.5, with the total macros being 34 grams of protein, 27 grams of carbs, 18.5 grams of fats, and 5 grams of fiber. Man, you're full for like 3 hours at least. This thing is so fulfilling, man. All right, best for last. This is my favorite meal. I mean, I have a lot of favorite meals, but this one has been my best favorite meal for the past couple of weeks, and it's absolutely delicious. And it's a bell pepper pizza. It's absolutely so, I mean, this is how you make it, man. Just hear me out. Listen to how it's made. You will make this right after this video. Oh. Well, first things first, we're gonna get a pan and we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of olive oil in there. Only 40 calories, 4.5 grams of fats. And we're gonna put 80 grams of sirloin steak into that pan. This has about 187 calories with 22 grams of protein and 11 grams of fats. We're gonna cook them, however you guys like, medium rare, medium, whatever you guys like, just cook it. But make sure they're diced up a bit. Don't just cook the whole thing at once. It's gonna be tough later. So dice them up, then cook it. Once it's nice and cooked, we're gonna put it to the side and we're gonna get 1 bell pepper and we're gonna cut it in half. Make sure they're big bell peppers, man. This needs to be a big bell pepper to work. If you guys use a small one, it's not really gonna work. Use a big one and cut it in half so you have a good depth. And this is why. 1 bell pepper, or 160 grams of 1 bell pepper, is 48 calories, 2 grams of protein, 10 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fiber. We're gonna go ahead and stuff the bell pepper with the steak as much as you can. Stuff it in, just as you guys see here. Just stuff it in as much as you can. Once that's nice and stuffed, we're gonna get 40 grams of mozzarella, 20 grams in each bell pepper, and this has about 107 calories, 11 grams of protein, and 7 grams of fats. Once that's nicely done, we're gonna get 20 grams of onions. I'm just gonna put it on top, and this has about 20 calories, 5 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fiber. It should look like this at the end, and you already know it looks blessed. Once it's nice and ready, we're gonna put it into the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes at around 300 or 350 Fahrenheit. Let it cook, and once it comes out, it looks something like this, and man, it just looks so good. The smell, I mean, just the smell of it what comes out of that oven is just absolutely sensational. It makes you 10 times more hungry. Total calories for this bell pepper pizza is about 402.5, with the total macros being 35 grams of protein, 15 grams of carbs, 22.5 grams of fats, and 4 grams of fiber. And man, you should be full for about 3 hours. Easy. Easy 3 hours, man. This thing is just so fulfilling. Your tummy feels happy when you eat this, man. I don't know what it is. You just feel happy eating this. It's just the feeling you get afterward, just amazing, man. And you know what's funny, guys? I'm gonna make this bell pepper pizza literally after this video, so I'm pretty excited. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found value and found meals that will actually help with your weight loss plan, feeling full, or overall just looking to eat healthier. These meal options are perfect for that. If you guys are this far and did enjoy this video, don't forget to smash that like button. It'll help me out and the channel. And if you guys really did enjoy this video, check out this playlist of meal ideas, man. You guys, it's a bank of meal ideas. It'll help you out with whatever you guys need, whether it's weight gain, weight loss, fat loss, muscle gain, whatever it is, this playlist has it all. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.